Have you ever gotten a shot at the doctor's office? Or maybe seen a surgeon on TV getting ready for an operation? You probably noticed that everything they use is super clean. It's not just wiped down. It's been through a process called sterilization. A tiny, invisible germ on a needle or scalpel could trigger a serious infection. Sterilization is our secret weapon against these microscopic invaders. It is the ultimate deep clean, removing bacteria, viruses, and other microbes completely. Behind the scenes, it keeps modern medicine and public health safe. This is a lab-to-life payoff. Scientists figured out how to destroy harmful microbes. From simple bandages to heart valves, sterilization stands between you and unseen germs. First things first, let's clear something up. Cleaning removes visible dirt and debris, but invisible germs can remain and multiply. Disinfecting kills many germs, not all, especially hardy spores. Sterilization means zero living organisms, complete elimination. For instruments entering the body, mostly germ-free is not enough. Sterilization is the only process that guarantees that assurance. That's why it's non-negotiable in hospitals, pharma, and even canned foods. Cleaning and disinfecting are everyday hygiene. Sterilization is life-saving. It's the ultimate guarantee of safety. That certainty makes surgery, dental work, and tattoos possible and safe. One of the oldest ways to kill germs is heat. Heat destroys essential proteins and enzymes. Cells fall apart. The most common professional form is pressurized steam. An autoclave looks like a high-tech pressure cooker. Pressure lets steam reach higher temperatures. 121 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 minutes is typical. That heat plus moisture combo kills even tough bacterial spores. Step 1. Load clean instruments, glassware, and medical textiles properly. Step 2. Seal. Step 3. Remove air. Air pockets block steam. Step 4. Superheated steam penetrates every nook for the required time. Afterward, pressure releases and a drying cycle removes moisture. Result: perfectly sterile items, ready for safe use. Great for stainless tools, glassware, and heat-resistant plastics and rubber. Not for delicate electronics, heat-sensitive plastics, or moisture-ruined powders. Steam is fantastic, but it's not one size fits all. For powders, oils, and certain metals, we turn to dry heat. A sterilizing oven uses hot, dry air, uniform and precise. Dry heat kills by oxidation and requires higher temperatures and longer times. Typical cycles: 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours or 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Load clean, dry, heat-stable items, then let the oven bake away microbes. Simpler than autoclaves, but essential in sterile processing. It sterilizes sharp edges without dulling. Limits: many plastics, rubber, liquids, and fabrics can't take the heat. Choose based on material and tolerance to heat and moisture. What about items that can't handle high heat or moisture, like electronics and tubing? Chemical sterilization to the rescue. Ethylene oxide, or ETO, is a common low-temp sterilant. It attacks essential proteins and damages microbial DNA. Items packaged in breathable materials are exposed for hours. As a gas, ETO penetrates deep into complex parts. Downsides: it's toxic and flammable, used only in tightly controlled environments. Long aeration, hours to days, lets residual gas dissipate safely. Despite long cycles, ETO is the gold standard for many complex single-use items. Hydrogen peroxide gas plasma is a faster, safer alternative. Vapor becomes plasma, charged particles that rapidly destroy microbes. Byproducts are water and oxygen, better for operators and environment, perfect for quick turnaround of delicate instruments in hospitals. Beyond heat and chemicals, we use radiation. It's real, widely used, especially for mass-produced sterile supplies. High-energy rays damage microbial DNA and RNA so they can't reproduce. Gamma radiation uses cobalt-60 to emit powerful rays. Products, sealed in final packaging, pass through thick-walled chambers. Rays penetrate packaging, no significant heating. E-beam accelerates electrons, sterilizes in seconds to minutes. E-beam suits lower density or thinly packaged items. Gamma reaches deeper. These are massive industrial plants. Manufacturers ship products in. When you open a sterile bandage or syringe, radiation ensured it's safe. Large-scale science makes healthcare safer for everyone. What if a liquid medicine can't be heated or exposed to chemicals? Sterilization by filtration physically removes microbes. Pores let the liquid through, but trap much larger bacteria. A 0.22 micrometer filter is tiny. Compare that to a 70 micrometer human hair. Pressure or vacuum drives sterile fluid to a receiving vial. It's gentle and preserves the liquid's chemistry. Used widely for injectables, IV solutions, and other delicate products. Limitations. Many viruses are smaller than the pores. Dissolved toxins aren't removed. Start with the cleanest possible liquid to ensure success. We also filter air using HEPA filters in ORs, clean rooms, and labs. They remove at least 99.97% of 0.3 mm particles, dust, pollen, airborne bacteria, fungi. Running a cycle is one thing. How do we know it worked? We use physical, chemical, and biological indicators. Physical records confirm temperature, pressure, and time. Chemical inks change color to show proper exposure, even at the center of a pack. The gold standard. Highly resistant, harmless spores must not grow after incubation. No growth means the process was lethal to all microbes. If parameters fail, the load is re-sterilized. It's a rigorous system of checks and balances. From autoclaves to gamma rays, chemicals to filters, we build germ-free environments where it matters most. Each method solves a specific problem with the same goal: absolute safety. Decades of research became practical machines and reliable processes. Every surgery, safe injection, and long-lasting can of food reflects that science in action. When a sterile pack opens, you can trust the process behind it. Sterilization is precise science with no room for error. Hear the hum and the crinkle. That's the sound of science keeping you safe. And that's a pretty amazing thing.